Allah's timing is perfect. Why delays in your dua are actually a blessing. Sometimes life feels like a race you never signed up for. Every morning begins with pressure, every hour feels scheduled, and every goal feels overdue. You look at others moving ahead, doors opening, prayers answered, and quietly inside your heart whispers, "What about me?" A'udhu billahi mina shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My brothers and sisters, let's slow down for a moment, because one of the greatest illusions of this dunya is the feeling that we are running out of time, while in reality we are living inside Allah's perfect timing. We wake up rushing, we eat rushing, we plan rushing, and even our dua becomes rushed. We say, "Ya Allah, I've asked you, where is it? I've waited, when will it come?" Just like a child in the back seat asking every 2 minutes, "Are we there yet?" We ask Allah in our own way again and again, "Is it time yet?" And here's where many hearts become tired. A person makes dua for months, for years, for relief, for marriage, for a child, for success, for peace. Then Shaitan whispers, "It's not happening. Maybe it's not meant for you." So the person stops asking, not knowing the answer was already on its way. My dear brothers and sisters, delay does not mean rejection. Silence does not mean neglect. Waiting does not mean Allah has turned away. Sometimes the delay itself is the gift. Think about it. If Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam had only focused on getting out of prison, he would have missed the elevation happening inside the prison. The hardship shaped him before the honor reached him. Many of us only want the door to open, but Allah is preparing us to carry what's behind that door. Trials have hidden opportunities. When life pauses you, when plans collapse, when you are forced into a season of waiting, that moment can either break you or bring you closer to Allah than you've ever been before. Some of the most sincere dua, the deepest tears, the most honest conversations with Allah happen when we feel we have nowhere else to turn. That connection is priceless. Sometimes Allah delays giving you what you want because He loves hearing your voice. Because the version of you that is praying, humble, dependent, turning back again and again is better for your soul than the thing you are asking for. But there is another danger we don't notice. While chasing one blessing, we forget the others that are quietly passing by. While waiting for marriage, your parents are getting older. While chasing wealth, your children are growing up. While pursuing one dream, time with loved ones is expiring. We become so focused on when will this happen that we forget to see what is already in our hands. This is why gratitude is powerful. It refreshes your vision. Saying Alhamdulillah isn't just words. It trains your heart to notice the food, the health, the people, the small mercies you once prayed for, but now overlook. Islam does not teach us to stop striving. No, we work, we plan, we dream, but we submit the timing to Allah. There's a difference between ambition and obsession. When the heart becomes obsessed with now, it forgets who controls time. Allah created us hasty. We want everything immediately. But Allah sees the full picture. What you can handle, what might harm you, what must happen first, and what must be removed before something better arrives. Sometimes Allah is not saying no, He is saying not yet. And not yet can protect you from regret you don't see coming. Think of those moments when life forces a pause, a delay, a setback, a closed door. At first, we hate the pause, but later we realize it brought us back to Allah, back to family, back to reflection. We needed to slow down, but we never would have chosen to. My brothers and sisters, imagine if we asked Allah not just to give us what we want, but to make our hearts content with His decree, to love what He chooses, to trust the moment He chooses it for. Imagine reaching a place where you don't fight His schedule because you know His wisdom is greater than your urgency. Every dua you make is heard. Every tear is seen. Nothing is lost. What is written for you will never miss you. And what misses you was never meant to be yours. So don't measure Allah's love by speed. Measure it by wisdom. Slow down. Breathe. Make dua. Work hard, but rest your heart in this truth. Allah is never late. And when the time is right, what is meant for you will arrive in a way more beautiful than you imagined. May Allah make us among those who trust His plan, who are patient with His timing, who see blessings around them, and whose hearts find peace in His decree. Ameen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful Islamic reminders like this. For more uplifting Islamic motivation, faith-boosting messages, and heart-softening reminders, watch the full playlist in the description. Heart-touching Islamic reminders, motivation, faith, and hope. Alhamdulillah.